guys, welcome back to our channel All Things With Us. It's always a pleasure having you back. If you're new here, thank you for clicking in, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. Just as a refresh, in this channel we do videos about DIYs, decor, interior design, and a bit of lifestyle. So if you love this kind of content, please consider subscribing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an Ottoman stool. So yeah, let's get started. So in today's video, I'm going to make an Ottoman stool, and these are the materials I'm going to be using. So I have staple gun, we have a saw right there, these are the nails, I have a drill. I'm going to use the drill to drill the legs, and I divided these into two just because this is an Ottoman stool and I feel like these legs are going to be big, so I divided it. I have the foam and the fabric. So the frame is ready. I made it already. Yeah. My frame is 22 by 20 inches with a height of 8 inches, and I'm going to cover the sides with a 3mm plywood and the top with a 6mm plywood.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
As you can see, my frame is pretty strong. Now I'm covering the frame with a foam before I put the fabric.
Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung, kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
sure to cover the bottom before putting the legs.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn